Afghanistan, officially known as the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, is a landlocked country located at the crossroads of Central and South Asia. With an area of about 652,000 square kilometers, roughly the size of Texas or France, it is bordered by Pakistan to the east and south, Iran to the west, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Tajikistan to the north, and China to the far northeast through the narrow walking corridor. Afghanistan's strategic geographic location has made it both a cultural bridge and a battlefield for empires, religions, and ideologies for over 2,500 years. The capital city is Kabul, which lies in a mountain valley near the Hindu Kush Range. Once a cosmopolitan center on the ancient Silk Road, Kabul has suffered tremendous damage from wars and instability, but remains a political, cultural, and economic heart of the country. Other significant cities include Herat in the west, Mazar-i-Sharif in the north, Kandahar in the south, and Jalalabad in the east, all cities that reflect Afghanistan's ethnic and historical diversity. Geographically, Afghanistan is dominated by rugged mountains, deserts, and arid plains. The Hindu Kush Mountains, which run northeast to southwest across the country, are the defining geographic feature. These high, steep mountains separate the central highlands from the northern plains and southern desert regions. Some peaks exceed 7,000 meters, 22,965 feet, and make transportation and infrastructure development extremely difficult. The mountainous terrain has historically played a crucial role in shaping Afghanistan's political fragmentation and tribal societies, offering natural fortresses to local powers and resistance fighters alike. The climate is largely arid or semi-arid, with cold winters and hot summers. In the mountains, winters are harsh, with snow blocking mountain passes for months. In contrast, the southern regions such as Helmand and Kandahar are dry and extremely hot in the summer, often exceeding 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Rainfall is scarce and mostly seasonal, making agriculture highly dependent on irrigation and snowmelt from the mountains. Droughts are common and have had devastating effects on rural livelihoods, particularly in recent years due to climate change. Despite its harsh landscape, Afghanistan has fertile valleys, particularly in areas irrigated by mountain streams and rivers like the Kabul River, Helmand River, and Amu Darya. Agriculture remains the backbone of the Afghan economy, employing more than 60% of the population, though only about 12% of the land is arable. Key crops include wheat, rice, fruits, nuts, and poppies, the latter being a major source of opium production, which has long fueled both the economy and conflict. Afghanistan's natural resources are significant but underdeveloped due to ongoing conflict, corruption, and lack of infrastructure. The country has vast reserves of iron ore, copper, lithium, gold, oil, gas, and rare earth minerals. In 2010, U.S. Geological Surveys estimated that Afghanistan could possess over $1 trillion worth of untapped mineral wealth. The Wakhan Corridor in the northeast also holds important mineral and water resources, but its remote terrain and lack of connectivity hinder development. Afghanistan is also known for its breathtaking natural beauty, from the blue waters of Bandi Amir National Park in Bamiyan Province to the alpine scenery of Panjshir Valley and the rolling hills of Badakhshan. The Bamiyan Buddhas, which were destroyed by the Taliban in 2001, were once monumental stone statues carved into cliffs and served as symbols of Afghanistan's Buddhist past and cultural openness. The country lies in a region of seismic activity, making earthquakes a frequent hazard, particularly in the northeastern regions. Coupled with deforestation, overgrazing, and poor land management, natural disasters pose a constant threat to both rural and urban populations. Afghanistan's geographic location has given it tremendous geopolitical importance throughout history. It served as a key crossroads on the ancient Silk Road, connecting China with Persia, India, and the Mediterranean. For centuries, it attracted traders, travelers, scholars, and invaders. The territory was part of many empires, from Alexander the Great's conquest to the Mongols, Safavids, Mughals, and British. This history of invasions and migrations helped shape Afghanistan's complex ethnic makeup and decentralized power structures. Modern geopolitics continues to be deeply influenced by Afghanistan's location. It lies at the heart of Eurasia's Great Game, historically contested by British and Russian empires, and more recently, the United States and regional powers like Iran, Pakistan, China, and India. The country provides critical overland routes and potential energy corridors connecting Central Asia to South Asia, though instability has hampered progress on projects like the Turkmenistan-Afghanistan-Pakistan-India TAPI gas pipeline. In recent years, climate change has also begun to impact Afghanistan's environment and economy. Rising temperatures, reduced snowfall, and more frequent droughts are threatening water security, food production, and livelihoods. Environmental degradation is further compounded by war, population displacement, and unregulated urban growth. Efforts are underway, supported by international agencies, to introduce climate-resilient farming, reforestation, and disaster risk reduction programs, but these remain in early stages. To sum up this first section, Afghanistan geography is both a blessing and a burden. Its rugged terrain and remote valleys have preserved rich traditions, diverse cultures, and a sense of independence, but they have also hindered national unity and infrastructure development. The country's location at the heart of Asia makes it central to regional connectivity and trade, but also places in the path of rival empires and global powers. Its natural resources, if managed effectively, offer the potential for transformation. However, geography alone cannot explain Afghanistan's trajectory. It is deeply intertwined with history, culture, politics, and resilience.